I am trying something new. Previously I would use the scanner to narrow down the stocks. To do this I used a scaled down version of my algorithm, but I realized that there were a lot of stocks that did not show up in this scan. So from now on I will use a revised version of the Sizzle index to get a base list of stocks to analyze. These two graphs will tell me whether to buy or sell the stock. For this one, a buy signal is anything close to 1 and a sell is close to 0. For the one below it, a buy is close to 2 and sell is close to 0. For Tesla, the second graph value is 0.14 and the third graph value is 0.09. These are both sell signals. As a disclaimer, I know there are EV haters and Elon Musk haters who for some idiotic reason hope he fails, but I am not one of them. I in fact have a majority of my stock assets invested in Tesla, so it would be detrimental of me to tell you to sell Tesla stock. I am a long-term holder of Tesla stock only because, similar to GameStop and AMC investors, I am investing in the company in hopes that I can help them finance their vision. Earnings per share are for the suits on Wall Street to evaluate whether they should buy or sell or short stocks to make money. They do not care about the well-being of the company. That being said, if you are a short-term investor, then my algorithm is suggesting that you sell Tesla stock if you have it, or sell puts or short the stock. The next stock on the list that I will consider is Disney. They have a rating of 0.51 out of 1 and a 1.06 out of 2. These are both in the middle, so it is neither a buy or a sell yet. Looking at Morgan Stanley, you can see that the algorithms are giving very strong sell signals. On the other hand, Uber is close to a buy at 0.78 out of 1 and a 1.83 out of 2. I am not a believer in the Uber business model, but I am also 50 years old, a father, and I live out in the suburbs, so I do not see an immediate need for Uber. But my college-age son thinks Uber and Lyft have a lot of potential. But I am a numbers person and will put full faith in my algorithm once it starts showing me that it makes better decisions than I do. So from now on my videos will run the revised Sizzle Index scan, and I will go through a few of the more notable stocks, and then I will list the stocks that my algorithm says are buys and sells. Things to note: my scanner may favor certain stocks that I would rather not evaluate. These include highly volatile stocks, Asian stocks, oil stocks, and pharmaceuticals. I tried to filter them out using an implied volatility filter. I have also noted that the algorithm usually goes from a buy to a sell or vice versa in about 30 to 40 days. So if it suggests you to buy a stock, then you will probably be holding it for at least a month. I hope you enjoy the videos. I will try to add live voice recordings when I can. Right now my house is crowded and recording myself will result in a lot of background noises. My kids go to school and/or college in a couple of weeks, so I will try to add my actual voice then.